How to contact the courier on Glovo App. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact the courier on Glovo App. So let's go right into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to launch the app, and then once you've launched the app, you will be brought to the home page. Now I must let you know that for you to be able to contact the courier, you have to ensure that you are using the latest version of Glovo App. So if you don't have the latest version, go ahead and update the app. So once you've updated the app, you can come back and then open up your Glovo app. So once you're on your own page, by the top part of the screen, you will see the profile icon by the left side, the search bar in the middle, and then the coins by the right side of the screen. The next thing for you to do is to click on the profile icon by the top left corner. Once you click on the profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page. Now currently the screen is black because Glovo does not support sharing your personal information, all right? But there is no issue. Just go to the top right corner of the screen and then click on the help option. Once you click on the help option, you'll be taken to the support center. And on this page, click on not related to an order, and then you'll be directed to the not related to an orders page. On this page, you'll see several options as well, such as Glovo Prime, account details, verify my identity, Glovo newsletter, etc. Next thing for you to do is to click on Glovo's Prime, and then click on unsubscribe, the last option, and then you'll be directed to Glovo support. Now the Glovo support is also the courier that you can contact. So yeah, you can now ask this courier whatever questions that you have, and then you'll be directed on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.